Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off the usage data feature in your account on Microsoft Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me just explain what the usage data feature means. It means that you may or may not have given Copilot the permission to use, for example, information as a context or for context or as a reference for conversations here on Copilot, information sourced from data from other Microsoft applications like Edge, for example, your search history on Edge, on Bing, and so on and so forth. And you may give Copilot the permission to use that data or not. So to turn this off, log into your account on Copilot, access the settings by clicking into profile icon in the bottom left, navigate to settings here, click into memory, and disable the personalization and memory as well as the Microsoft usage data feature here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.